Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel Starlink subscription. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps. And before I begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go and open your browser on your phone. Then once you open it like this, you will have to search for starlink.com. Once you search for it, it will open this page. You should now click on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. And after that, you will need to sign in to your account. Then once you sign in, just tap on the My Account option right here. Then it will open a page. You will have to scroll down till you find this section. You will have here a button displaying manage text on it. Just tap on it. It will show you here your subscription. And now you can easily click on this button, cancel service. It will show you all the terms and conditions. You will have to read this article carefully. And here from this box, you should select a reason for cancellation. Once you select your reason, you can simply click on confirm right here. And don't worry, this will not cancel your subscription instantly. Your subscription will continue till it expires for the current month. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.